Hey guys, it's Ashley. So today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing. Why did I say that so fast? This is going to be a try-on, finally. Every time that I do a Boxycharm unboxing, I never do a try-on because I usually just do it on my Instagram. But I decided to start doing them on here as well because in case you don't follow me on my Instagram or you don't want to or you don't have Instagram. So that way you guys get to see a try-on on here instead of just a boring video. If you've never seen any of my other Boxycharm unboxing videos, I will leave the playlist to them down below so you can go binge watch all of them. I'm not sure why you'd want to, but I mean, it's there if you want to. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So anyways, when you open up the box, this is just what it looks like. My camera's so high up, I can't even pull this up. I love how this video is already a mess and I've only been filming for like 2 minutes. This is what their new card looks like. It's like it opens up, kind of like, what are those things called? Like a brochure? So anyways, it opens up like this instead of the normal card, which I actually really like. And I'm going to start with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. So this is what it looks like. It looks exactly like the primer that we got in one of the other boxes, which I absolutely love that primer, so I'm really hoping that this is the same. Also guys, I mentioned in my last video that I am sick and I am still sick. Yay, I love being sick. So if I sound sick, I am sick. So anyway, this says it's a pore refining mask that unclogs and tightens the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. This sounds like it's for oily skin, I would assume, which I definitely don't have. I've actually already used this twice, believe it or not. I used it yesterday when I was filming the Instagram video, and then I used it the day before that because it says to use it 2 to 3 times to see like, 2 to 3 times per week, okay, to see maximum results. So I was hoping I could give you guys a better review throughout this video, but honestly, I didn't pay attention to my pores before I started using this. I don't really know what pores look like. Like, I do, but I don't. This mask retails for $47, and of course it's full size. So yeah, I think we should just go ahead and start using this because this is the only skincare product. So you're supposed to put this in more of your like problem areas or like your areas of concern. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it turns blue when you start rubbing it in because it has these little popping ball things in it. So I'm gonna put this on my forehead, my chin, my nose, and then like this area. So this says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry and then rinse with warm water and pat dry. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then I will be back. Alright guys, I'm back. It's been 10 minutes and I washed off the face mask. Looking into a mirror, I think it is actually helping. This is my 3rd day using it this week. Where I noticed the most difference is actually kind of like on my forehead right here. I'm so bad at giving reviews of skincare products because they take me like a week or 2 to even figure out if I like them or not. So I'll let you guys know in the future if I do like it, like on Instagram or something. So the rest of the things in the box has nothing to do with my face really, like foundation, concealer, like all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, again off camera, and then I will be right back. Alright, so most of my face-based makeup is done, but the next thing in the box is a highlighter. And I made the really dumb mistake of setting my entire face, like the entire face, with powder. And it's a liquid highlighter. And I also meant to mix this in with my foundation, which I was going to do in the Instagram video as well, but for both freaking videos I forgot. But anyway, this is the Tarte Cosmetics Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I got the shade Sparkler. This retails for $29. I honestly am not a huge fan of liquid highlighters just because I always set my face with powder like before I do anything. So then when it gets to the highlighter part, I'm like, oh, I already set my face so I can't really use it. I mean, I'm going to have to use it today because like obviously I have to use it, but I already set my face and it's not going to blend and it's not going to look good. But anyways, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and try this despite the fact that I have the powder on my face. I'm going to squeeze some on my Real Techniques brush and this kind of blends it out, and that was a lot. It's a streak of glitter on my face. Partially my fault for putting powder on, but also it's very glittery. When I say I'm beating my face, I am literally beating my face as hard as I possibly can to get this to blend. It's just like, now that it's blended out somewhat, it's not really much of anything. Like, it's just there. I'm actually going to try the other side of my face, putting it on there and then blending it out with my finger, and maybe that'll help. Oh wait, it actually looks better like this. Okay, it looks better when you put it directly on your face and then like super tap the sponge into your face. Now granted, it doesn't look amazing because as soon as I look forward you can see that stripe on my face because it's too dark, but yeah, I just can't help but notice this one spot right here that's really like splotchy. So overall, this is not my favorite highlighter in the world. It will probably do better mixed in with my foundation or when I have absolutely no powder on my face. But trying to put it over top of powder just does not work, guys. Do not do it. Alright, so this next product is the Brow Gal Instant Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. So I got the color 0202, whatever. So this retails for $22, and I've actually heard of the Brow Gal before, and I've seen them at TJ Maxx. I almost picked this up, actually. So this is a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill. So this is very good if you're rushing and you're pretty much out of time and you have no time to do your makeup. And yeah, the color is actually pretty perfect for me. It is. My eyebrows do look darker than my hair, but like they've always been like that. So overall, I definitely do recommend that product. I really like it. It took me 2 seconds and it looks like I just did my brows normally. So I'll actually be using this like a ton because I really like how simple and easy it is. Anyways, the next thing in the box is a Colourpop palette, which I'm obsessing over. I actually don't have this palette, which I'm so happy about. This is the Golden State of Mind. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is all shimmers. They all are really pretty colors. Like, are you seeing this? So I'm going to throw a few matte shades on my eyes just so I'm not doing a complete look out of shimmers. I don't even know how to do that. Okay, I'm actually going to use the Dream Shoot palette from Colourpop. So I'm just going to use a few mattes from this palette and then we'll go ahead and reach into the Golden State of Mind. Alright, so I went ahead and used this shade right here, this shade, and this shade as the mattes. And now finally dipping into the Golden State of Mind palette. This is the shade Unsupervised, and that's the shade I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take that on a brush, and then I might have to use my finger. I'm not really sure if they're going to be crumbly or just hard to use. This one seems to be pretty pressed. The other one that I used the other day was very crumbly. I absolutely love the look, like, a lot, and I actually don't mind reaching into this palette for my shimmer and using another one for my mattes because the shimmers are so pretty and really good that I don't really mind anymore. And quickly for my inner corner, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Pay the Piper. It looks like kind of like a duochrome, kind of like blue tinted white shadow. Oh wow. Wow. That is extremely pigmented, and it's also really cool. It's super like pigmented, but I'm not sure if it's gonna show up on camera, but it's like blue kind of looking. Like when you turn your head, you can kind of see kind of blue and purple. Hi, so I took off my lipstick thinking I was done filming, and then I realized I didn't put on mascara. Well, I put it on now, so this is it with mascara. You're welcome. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this Adesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. But it's just this really pretty kind of warm nude kind of color, which is definitely what I would usually go for. I honestly think it's more of a gloss, but I don't know, because it's very glossy and it does not dry down. Alright, the lipstick is applied and it's a really pretty color. It's more dark than I thought it would be, but it's still really pretty. Oh yeah, I forgot to give the price on the last thing, the palette. It's $26, which is a little bit pricier for Colourpop, but it's still such good quality for all those shadows. And then this liquid lipstick is $24. Alright guys, so that was the video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. I really like doing the try on for this. It did take a long time. This video is probably going to be really long because I've been filming for like 2.5 hours, I think. So let's see what I can edit it down to. Alright, so I added up the total on the calculator because I can't do math, and it came out to $148. I'm paying $21 to get $148 worth of makeup, and it's all really good brands. So that's why I love Boxycharm so much. I'll leave a link down below if you do want to sign up. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you got the same box as this, or if you got a different box. Just let me know what you got. And yeah, make sure you go follow me on my social media. If you want to go see the Instagram video that I did for the Boxycharm, it'll be right here. If you want to go watch my last video, it'll be right here. And if you want to go subscribe, it'll be right there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm stressed. My camera's dying. It's gonna die any second now. I gotta get a thumbnail. I'm too far away. Oh my god, I almost just crushed my eyeshadow palette. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. And I'll
Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.